Hello everyone, we've gotten a couple of requests on how you can check your pending BUSD rewards. Mike has done a wonderful job in writing up 6-step instructions that you can validate while we are working through our dashboard app that will allow you to check your pending rewards directly through our website. So for now, you can check manually by first clicking on the BSC Scan link within this document. I'll take a quick moment. I'll load up the contract information. You'll want to scroll all the way down to section 27, and it says show my dividend rewards. It'll ask for your account address, so you'll want to make sure you copy and paste in the wallet address that you want to validate. Click on the query button. Take a few moments and you'll see show my dividend rewards. You'll have a hyperlink. Click on that hyperlink and then it'll bring up the BSC Scan, unit converter record. Scroll a little ways down and right where it shows the BNB, it's actually your pending BUSD rewards. So depending on what value it's displayed, you can opt to go ahead and manually claim the rewards, or you can wait for the automatic delivery. It can take a little bit of time depending on the current volume, so it's optional whether you want to manually send one token to yourself from your wallet to claim it. It does have some gas fees if you opt to go that route, or wait. So in the next tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can actually manually claim if you decide with that option. I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much, everyone. We appreciate your support. You have a great day. Here are the quick instructions that will allow you to manually claim your rewards. I'm using my MetaMask wallet. So you'll simply click into your Glow tokens, click send. You'll go ahead and paste your same wallet address. Click next. Select one Glow token to send to yourself. Click next. It's going to have you go through a confirmation screen. Go ahead and click send. Wait for the transaction to submit. And after a few moments, it's completed. And this is how you'll go about claiming manually your BUSD rewards. I'll go ahead and refresh my screen. And there it goes. It took a few seconds there to say it's completed, and my BUSD rewards have been delivered. So this is only optional. If you decide, you could have waited and the funds would have been sent just in the earliest convenience as it processes through the various distributor wallet functions. But this is just another shortcut that you can take if you decide to manually claim your rewards. We are working on our DApp, so as soon as that's available, we'll make sure we release it to the entire community, and that's going to shorten the process that you would go through, and you can claim it directly through our website. Hello everyone, here are some quick instructions on how you can trigger a manual reward process on your wallet while we're waiting for the dashboard app to allow the manual claim function. Within the Trust wallet, you'll simply go into your Glow Token 2, click on Send. You'll want to go ahead and just copy in your same wallet address, click on one Glow Token, and then click Continue. It's going to bring you into the confirmation screen. Click Confirm. Enter in your passcode information and or authentication, and then just wait a few moments while the information is updated and being validated through your Trust wallet. You can refresh, take a few moments, and then once you go back, refresh your screen, you'll see that your BUSD rewards have been delivered. This is only a manual process. It's only optional. If you decide to wait, then in all due time, as the distributor is sending through, you'll receive your rewards. It's all based on volume and based on the quantity of Glow tokens you hold. If you have any questions, please visit our Telegram page. We are there to assist you and help you as you go through this process. Thanks so much. You have a great day.